Redgate with alongside him Sam Tordoff. Sam really is going to have to work very hard because he's got this longer pit stop penalty than anyone else. Now going Soda, I would have thought that he's going to have some sort of extra time to spend in the pits as well, but that's not what the information sheet I saw said. So that's something else to clarify. If Steve's going alone, I can't believe he's not been given some kind of extra seconds in the pits. He leads at the moment. As he was telling Chris this morning, this is a newly built car, which is having its first race in the hands of Steve Soper. And it is Steve that leads the way as the cars come out of Coppice for the first time. He may regard this as something of a test run for the car. It has been put together properly. It'll be one that goes on the whole race. I see there's a car being pushed away. It's one of the BMWs, I think. It's the white BMW being pushed away at the end of the pit lane. Through goes Steve Soper in the lead then from in second place. In second place is Julian Thomas. In third place is number 9. And in fourth place is Sam Tordoff. So not the best first lap of Sam Tordoff there. Down in fourth place, fifth place, and he comes in sixth place. Well, this is not Central Mustang number 26. In seventh place is 42. Charles Spears in eighth place is Justin Law, number 70, Lotus Cortina. 9th is 99, Alex Taylor, Ford Mustang, and 10th, number 44, David Dickinson. So Steve Soper's lead was a small one at the end of the first lap over Julian Thomas. In the Ford Falcon. And I'm pretty sure that Julian Thomas will be determined to make Steve work for his living. 22 cars started the race. The last one through, sounding very ropey, was number 49, the Michael Whittaker Ford Mustang. Leaders complete their second lap then. Bit of a tail waggle by Julian Thomas as he now uses the power of the Falcon to take the lead as they go past the pits. He's going to get his nose in front as they break for Redgate. Steve Soper breaks later still around the outside. He's going to have to go if he wants to retrieve the lead. And he does so as Julian Thomas runs wide. Steve Soper keeps the door open in front of him and goes back through it as they head into the Craner curve. The Mustang ahead of the Ford Falcon. So Steve Soper led over the line. He's passed by Julian Thomas in the first part of Redgate. After he goes to Hollywood. Sam Tordoff meanwhile recovering from that disappointing first lap, just on the fastest lap of the race, moves up a place ahead of Craig Davis, the third place now, number 600, and will immediately close up on the leaders, I have no doubt. The leader continues to be Soper, Thomas second, and Sam Tordoff, I think it is, in third place. The pit stop window, incidentally, comes between the 25th and the 25th and 35th minute of the race, which is of a 1 hour duration. And with mandatory pit stops, whether you're driving solo or sharing the car, you have to make a pit stop. So Steve Soper out of Robert's chicane, moves to the middle of the road. Julian Thomas comes up alongside him and gets his lead, gets his nose in front, and Sam Tordoff is there as well as they break for Redgate. And Steve runs wide that time, tries to recover the four of them. They've got 4 cars in that team, Craig Davis. They make their way into Hollywood down to the Craner curve. And Sam Tordoff now challenging Steve Soper. Second place. That as far as it has done so, has made the lead. And as they go up the front curve, it is the dark blue Falcon, the metallic blue Mustang, and then the two red cars pulled off just ahead of Craig Davies. So in fact, this is two Mustangs against two Falcons, isn't it? The Falcon homologated in period to a slightly lower weight than the Mustang, but modern development has ensured that they're very evenly matched. A good Mustang and a good Falcon have liturgies between them, I think, in ultimate pace, as we are now seeing. So a very waggy Falcon comes out of Roberts in the lead. That was Julian Thomas waiting to sit down. As they go past the pits, the other Falcon gets up alongside Steve Soper. That's Sam Torloff. He goes through and takes second place. So Sam Torloff is now second. Steve Soper down to third. And Craig Davies is giving him a hard time now. And at the end of that fourth lap, Julian Thomas and 2079 per second. Well, might have that more second. So yes, Chris, just to let you know, 36 is Tom Bradley started that course that car. And the other car that had an issue, 18, the Harry Barton BMW, sadly, that is just something now and something that will be into the paddock, sadly. Thanks very much for that. Thanks, Chris. So that kind of fits in with the way that car's going at the moment. Tom Bradshaw then 5th place, and Henry 6th in his Mustang, then leading the Cortina gang. In 7th place is Paddy Shovlin in the number 68 Lexus Cortina, ahead of Justin Law by only half a second, if not less than that. Fastest lap to Craig Davies in 4th place. Well, he was in 4th place, but I'm not saying he's in 4th place for certain now. Wait for the cars to appear out of the Robert chicane. So it is Julian Thomas in front, it is Sam Tordoff second, Craig Davies third, and dropping down to 4th place is Steve Soper. And yeah, number 36 in the hands of Tom Bradshaw is about to join the party. He is absolutely tearing along and will soon be up with Steve Soper, I think. Then we've got Alex Taylor Mustang, and then Paddy Shovlin, Justin Law, and in 9th place, and the Pearl Jack British. At the moment, Pete Smith will be coming to hand over to his son, 9, which will be after 25 minutes. Way to go, yes. One car that we have not seen is, yes, as Chris has told us, it was pushed away, the Harry Barton BMW number 18. And on this lap, Julian Thomas has just done the absolute best first sector. The Falcons certainly seeming to prevail over the Mustangs at the moment. Steve Soper falling back and will surely be caught past by Tom Bradshaw on this lap. But they're just starting. That was a long wheel part of this Mustang fine, nothing big of a problem. Hope not. Davis 2, number 25, 14 in 8th place. 9. The Whittaker father and son Mustang down in 21st place. He's lost time on the lap. Now that is on terms with some slower cars. Getting a few places back. So the fastest lap to Craig Davies in 3rd place. Steve Soper just doesn't seem to have the car that at the moment is able to race with the Falcons and the other Mustangs around him, and has dropped further back still, and in fact Tom Bradshaw has passed him, and Steve, I suspect, yes, he is heading for the pits. So Steve Soper, having started the race from pole position and led it initially, now with some car problems down the pit lane. And also in the pits, the number 99 Ford Mustang of Alex Taylor. That's less than a second behind Julian Thomas last time through. But Sam's chances in this race, he will have to not only pass Mustang but also open up quite a margin, their respective. Yes, the Julian Thomas car has an extra 10 seconds, whereas Sam Torloff has an extra 40 seconds, so half a minute extra in the pits, believe it or not. Through have got the top three, still Julian Thomas just ahead of Sam Torloff, with Craig Davis in touch there, and then now in fourth place Tom Bradshaw is Jonathan Edwards Mustang. In fifth place is Paddy Shovlin's Lotus Cortina number 68. In sixth place is Justin Raw's Lotus Cortina number 70. In seventh place is the number 12 Ford Falcon of Dan Williamson. In eighth place number 44 David Dickinson's Lotus Cortina. In ninth place number 711 Peter Smith's Lotus Cortina. Tenth place number 72 John Spears Lotus Cortina. In 11th place is number 79 Mark Martin Lotus Cortina. And in 12th place is the number 71 Lotus Cortina of Alan Ross Jones.
Just to let you know, Tim driver Alex Taylor, that Ford Mustang, he said the gearbox or something transmission related, and definitely done and dusted, so taking that back in, which is a real shame. Steve Soper's also out. I know he's not going to be a happy bunny, but just a quick update. What's the problem, mate?
Sorry?
What's the problem?
Gearbox is not bulking in, it won't go any further before gear.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that a new issue? Because I didn't hear you mention that from this morning.
Not that before, no.
Well, it's such a shame. I mean, it was a change I saw that it was going to be you doing the whole race.
Wow, yeah.
Wow, yeah. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. So, out of the race.
Yeah, race 5, it's a new car.
Okay, thanks, Steve. So, ironically, Ian, that means both of them with gearbox or transmission issues.
Yes, there must be some good technical explanations there, but yeah, that's all the problem. So in terms of time, we've coming up to the almost 1/4 distance, 46 minutes remain, and already somebody is getting a warning flag about backwardness, so still in the race for that Anyway, the race is led only just by the number 192. It was led by the 192. There's been a change of lead. Sam Torloff now has the lead in his Ford Falcon from Julian Thomas in his Ford Falcon. Number 600 leading number 192. Craig Davis in third place, number 9. A couple of seconds adrift of Julian Thomas in the Ford Mustang. And then in fourth place, Tom Bradshaw. Yes, caught up with Craig Davis. So Tom Bradshaw at the moment very low fourth place. And then the Cortina gang, headed by Paddy Double. For Falcon, far we've got Alex Taylor Mustang, Purple Mustang, and before the start of the race we've got the BMW Harry Barton. Right, the battle for the lead continues, Falcon against Falcon as they go down past the pits. Right, Chris just spotted that the orange circle on the black background flag has just got out for car number 1. Car number 1, which is starting to stop, being developed by Richard Stop, who heads to a pit lane, like any good team owner should do. So the door's open. I think the passenger door is open. So it's shut and off he goes. Yes, that's all it was. Falcon's come through, nose to tail, Sam sort of ahead of Julian Thomas. Julian Thomas is going to have another look at the inside going into Redgate, but bear in mind he's up against the driver who's won races in the British Toy Car Championship not that long ago, and through Hollywood, that's where Sam is quicker. And stretches the margin again. Paddy Shopping continuing to go well in the number 68 Lewis Cortina, the leading Cortina. Justin Law in second place, 4.3 seconds behind him. He's actually done a lap quicker than Paddy has, but what Cat matters ultimately is where this is on the road. Next, and after his pit stop, he's got back a bit. So in fact, what we have is the number 49 Mustang. So they don't get anything that Michael Whitaker Jr. Millions keeping each other in close company. There he is, about to be lapped, and is now being lapped by the two leading Falcons. Where again Julian Thomas turns up under braking.